Beneath the sapphire surface of Koh Tao, a world of giants awakens. Here, where sunlight dances through liquid blue, humans become mere visitors in an ancient domain. Today, we dive into the realm of the ocean's gentle titan, the whale shark. They call this place Turtle Island, but legends whisper of something far larger. A shadow gliding through the deep, a living fossil older than time itself. For centuries, sailors spoke about of sea monsters, yet nothing prepares you for the truth. Look, a silhouette emerges. Not a monster, but a masterpiece. Rhynchodon typus, 40 feet of grace, skin like starlight on midnight water. Every spot, a cosmic fingerprint. Every movement, a silent sonata. Witness the dance. Diverse, fragile, awestruck. Hover like fireflies in the cathedral of the deep. The shark moves with impossible weightlessness. A colossus feeding on the smallest life. A paradox of power and peace. In its eye, a universe of wisdom. This giant fears no one. It offers no threat, only a question. Who truly rules this blue planet? For a heartbeat, two worlds connect. Human curiosity, primeval presence, a shared breath in the endless blue. As it vanishes into the abyss, we're left changed. This is Koh Tao, a sanctuary where giants still roam. But their future is written in our hands. Protect them, honor them, and remember, the greatest wonders aren't conquered. They're cherished. The ocean keeps its secrets, but today it's shared. Thank you for watching and follow my YouTube channel Don Pietro Explores for more ocean adventures and Thailand diving information.